When you draw on the other side, it automatically puts a line at the other side. Now I'm gonna put this and this there, 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 there. Hi guys, we're at Ibis Paint Text. Today guys, we are gonna make a picture or a drawing. As you can see, you can do ruler. This is the ruler. Circular ruler, elliptical ruler or oval ruler, and kaleidoscope. We are gonna make a head. But first, to make a head, you must use symmetric ruler. Whoa, what? You can use any brush here. You can get this in 8 hours. Now, you can get some brushes here. Here is the thing that you can get. This is the colors. You can pick any colors here. This is you can erase or draw. So to make a neck, just make that. Okay, there. This is how you have to make a symmetric line. There. When you draw on the other side, it automatically puts a line at the other side. Let's put the sleeves. If you know Ibis Paint Text already, it's okay. You can also watch this video for free. Here's the sleeves. Don't mind that motor. That's just sound. Now I will make the front hair with no symmetric ruler because yeah, I don't use that when I use symmetric ruler. Helps you can make any line. Wow. Wait. Okay, I already put it this. I'm gonna do it. Okay. I'm gonna make a bun. Wait. Another set of this bun. Yeah, I don't make buns usually, but I try to make buns like chestnut bun from Roblox. Yeah. Wait. I'm gonna go to symmetric ruler. Do this. There. Cool. Wait. I don't use symmetric ruler that much, but yeah, when I make some heads. Now I'm gonna put this and this there. So I'm gonna put so many shadows. Like seriously. Now I'm gonna put the eyes. The eyes, usually I like this eyes. Like, yeah. But I'm gonna tutorial how to make some eyes. But yeah. I'm gonna make my own eyes, like usual. Wait. Just make a big this, and do this, that. No, I don't like this eyes. Why did I do that? Just gonna go with the another eyes. Now I'm gonna make her blink, because I love her blinking. Now I'm gonna make her mouth like anime style, but no. There, I like that. Now, magic wand, there. This, that. Now the skin color. I usually use this. I am not good at making skin colors, okay? Why? Why? There. Oh no, I forgot to make some shadows. Shadows. Why did I do this? Happened. Literal, what happened? Now let's go with the dark side of this. There. This is the proudest thing I've ever made. The shadows on the head too. Okay. This might be a long video. Oh my god. I'm just not gonna make. Yeah. If you're the best artist in IBS Paintex, then well done. I usually put some blur on the shadows of the face, but not now. What about? Okay, now the hair. I'm gonna make the color of the Roblox chestnut bun. Isn't that going to be red? You might ask. Yes, it is red. Now there. For the shadows. There. Woo! There's flies in the house. Like, I hate flies. Crazy flies. Just kidding. I don't know why I hate flies. Like, I thought I clicked blur. But it's actually smudge. Nail the shirt. T-shirt. I'm gonna use this for my YouTube channel profile or my Facebook page. This Facebook page. Like, yes. Okay, I'm trying to make this look good. This is my first IBS Paintex video because I made so many art in IBS Paintex. I mean Ibis Paintex. Jump. Then arise. KK, your eyes is gonna be blue. Cause I love blue. Blue is the best. Like boys. If you like blue, just comment. Cause I changed my favorite colors. My favorite colors are light blue, light purple, light pink. Cause when I'm little, I like pink and purple representing Twilight Sparkle. Like, yes, that was my childhood. No. That was my childhood. Watch. No. I don't want to put some shadows. Wait. I'm gonna smudge it. Smudge it. If you love smudging, tell me in the comment section. If you use smudge so much, then comment down below. Why do I always say that? Why do I always say that? Because I want you guys to comment. Like, no. There. Now the background. What background? It's certainly blue, purple, and pink. I know it represents Twilight Sparkle. Yes, it's still a pink, purple, and cause my favorite cousin's color is maybe blue, but I use blue so much. consistency. Okay, I'm done with my art. How this might work. Sorry, dude. I just erased that to make art. Fly! Ah! There's my art! Yay! Bye guys! Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe! Bye! Love you guys all. Thanks for supporting me. Thank you for 1K, 1.16K, or maybe subscribers. So, bye guys! I love my art. Do you love my art? Just rate it in the comments.